Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Motorola Razr 40. And to do this we'll need to click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. This will make us the screenshot, and now let's move to the settings, or basically any other app that allows you to scroll down. In this case I chose those settings. Make sure that you're on top of the page and click on that same combination. Now it makes a screenshot, but you can see this scroll down button. Click on it and it will begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on the pause button to stop the screenshot when you're satisfied with the amount of it. But when it reaches bottom, it should save automatically. And here we have a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.